Chardonnay.
Let's rock, Coop.
Okay, so the purpose of this video is to describe exactly the proper setup for Clubhouse through iRig, by way of the MacBook, by way of any interface. I switch between my Steinberg and my Focusrite, but these are my house tools. But real simple in the house. You can set up easily iRig to have perfect quality, live vocals, live streaming, Clubhouse audio, Clubhouse mic setup. I have a mic setup too. So yeah, I can show y'all the setup, you know what I'm saying? Because it's not properly described up here. I've already looked, me and my guys, our team have already searched. There's no proper video to describe the proper setup for Clubhouse by way of the iPhone, so we're gonna show y'all. So you will hook the interface up, right, as you do regularly, USB, you know what I'm saying, to the interface. So from the interface, you'll have your audio cables, right? Got your audio cables. Boom, left and right. So I got one cable going into the speaker, and I have the other cable that would be going into that speaker. I have it going now over here to the iRig. You know what I'm saying? So now you have the iRig 2. And as you can see, the audio cable is hooked up to where the guitar is at. You know what I'm saying? I do have a headphone cord that is hooked up where the headphones is at. That headphone cord is to allow me really to hear like the chat. You know what I'm saying? You don't have to hear a live video like IG or Facebook, but you do have to hear Clubhouse, you know what I'm saying? People talking back and forth with you, being super responsive back and forth by hearing their direct audio. So the iRig 2 is in real time. Don't get the HD2, don't get the iStream or whatever it is, don't get none of that. Just get the iRig 2. This is what it look like, a picture, you know what I'm saying? And all you have left after you hook up them 2 plugs is you have your auxiliary. And I have my auxiliary cable going to my Apple cable, and voila, you got your iRig 2 supplying audio from your interface directly to your phone. Boom. And that's how you Clubhouse chat. You know what I'm saying? You got it from Coop Chardonnay first.